Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make cheddar green onion drop biscuits. This drop biscuit recipe is a mouth-watering, delectable, savory biscuit recipe. It's perfect to enjoy as a side dish or even as a snack. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Wee doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into the ingredients. You're going to need all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, green onion, cheddar cheese, buttermilk, and unsalted butter. Let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt. We are also adding garlic powder and black pepper. Then whisk all this together. Make sure it's evenly distributed. Now using a grater, shred cold butter on the holes of a box grater. Make sure your butter is cold, guys. What I normally do, I just pop it in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes, then use the box grater to shred it. Now using the fingers, squish the butter and flour together until you have small piece size of butter incorporated into the flour. Do not overmix, guys. You don't want the butter to melt from the warmth of your fingers. Now stir in cheese and green onions. Stir in buttermilk until the dough comes together. Next, drop dough using an ice cream scoop onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving 2-inch spaces between the dough. This recipe yields 15 biscuits. Keep going with the rest of the dough until it's all portioned. Now we're gonna bake this at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 13 minutes until golden brown. There you have it, guys. Cheddar green onion drop biscuits. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, give this video a like. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.